When gum is at room temperature, it has soft, sticky, and elastic properties. If you have a piece of gum stuck in your carpet and you attempt to remove it by simply picking it out of the carpet, it will likely just migrate deeper into the carpet, making the problem worse. So what's a better way to remove gum from carpet? Well, the absolute easiest way to remove gum is by first freezing it. Frozen gum becomes hard and brittle, which makes it easy to chip and pry out of the carpet. The best way to freeze it is with a can of freeze spray. I'm using a product called Super Cold. I'll leave a link for this in the description below the video. What you want to do is spray the gum with freeze spray for a couple seconds, then using a metal spoon, pry the gum out of the carpet. The gum will chip and break into pieces as it becomes dislodged from the carpet. Be sure to pick up or vacuum up any loose pieces. After about 30 seconds to a minute, the gum will warm up, so it's important to reapply the freeze spray as necessary to keep the gum frozen. This can of Super Cold contains a compressed refrigerant liquid. When the refrigerant is in the can and under pressure, it's in liquid form. When you press the trigger, the liquid is released from the can and it rapidly expands into a gas. This expansion causes a rapid cooling effect that will instantly freeze the gum to about -50 degrees Celsius.